here is a 200 nanosecond wide pulse at 100 megahertz. This can be used as the source for a pulsed radar. And how we're generating that is with the pulse generator here, which is creating the baseband 200 nanosecond pulse. The RF at 100 megahertz is being generated by the 8660. The modulation itself is occurring with this mixer, which is rated to 500 megahertz. So we have the RF going into the LO, and we have the IF connected to the pulse generator, which you can see here. Let's go around to the IF. And then the output is taken from the RF, which is going up to the scope, channel 1. So this is really nice. This is a nice way to generate a baseband pulse, which can then be subsequently put into a power amp. And you can do things like vary the pulse width nicely. And that's how you can generate a radar transmitter pulse to be amplified by a broadband amplifier.